In this video, I'm going to be talking about style, but about the psychology around the color. So let's get started about all the colors. So if you know you look absolutely amazing in a certain color, then why not wear more of that particular color? And we're going to delve into what that color really means, or whether you're going for an interview, or you're going to do some public speaking, or you're going on a date. You'll know what these different colors represent, and you can actually show up being absolutely powerful in the color that you're wearing, a psychological energy around what you are wearing in the sense of the color. Hi there, my name is Tania Sutherland, and with many years of experience of being a fashion designer, a fashion stylist, educator, as well as a coach, share with you the new things that are coming up. So on Tuesday videos, it will be anything about sewing and fashion designing for those that are sewing their own personal wardrobe, or whether they are creating wardrobes and designs for clients. On Fridays, the videos are going to be about the style psychology, about your self-identity, self-awareness, your confidence, as well as taking your style to the level of success. So your style will be all about becoming your best version, stepping into creating and designing your best life on Friday. So stay tuned, and don't forget to press the share button as well as the subscribe button down below to stay in the loop, to see the new videos that are, and don't forget to leave some comments down below. Once you know what color suits you, you can always look at prints and make sure that the color that you know suits you the best is the prominent color in that particular print. Like what I've got on now is orange, the cerise pink, as well as white, and there's a slight little tone of sort of like a almost an autumn kind of orange, which I know doesn't suit me, but because this prominent orange and the cerise pink is the stronger colors in the print, it's definitely one of my colors that I can wear. Confidence is also about the way that you feel. When you're wearing a garment that fits you well and with the right colors, and you've put the garment together with the right accessories, taking time with your grooming, you're wearing the correct fitted underwear underneath as well, you're going to feel like a goddess. Isn't that what it's all about? Because your energy is portraying out to the world. People will stare a little bit longer at you, even turn their heads twice at you, just to have a good look at how you've put yourself together. They notice that you're a person that has an eye for detail. I'm sure you kind of know already what color suits you best. A style color tip that I can share with you is that go to a mall or go to some retail stores and try on different colors. Take photographs of yourself wearing these different colors, different tones of colors and different hues and different saturations of colors. Take the photographs and have a look to see which colors actually enhance the color of your eyes, which complements your skin tone, as well as the color of your hair. And ask your friends what they think. And you can always invest more in those colors and creating a wardrobe from accessories, the shoes, the handbags, belts, earrings, all to complement your outfits. You know when something fits you well, the color is correct, you're well put together, how you feel. You know you feel absolutely beautiful and radiant. It's almost like you can conquer the world. And you know when you feel like absolute crap, that the outfit just doesn't feel comfortable, you can't wait to get back home to just pull it off and just to throw it at the back of the wardrobe and to maybe never wear it again. So listen to your intuition, listen to your emotions when you are wearing your outfits as well as your colors. Let's look at white, which most brides will tend to wear the white. And the color energy is about faith, wisdom, loyalty, truth, heaven, trust, friendship. And in some cultures, blue could even bring sadness. Like, you know, they're saying, feeling very blue today. Colors don't really have a universal meaning because of different cultures and the meaning of colors. So what I have on today is yellow. Yellow would be happiness and joy, energy, intellect, creativity, and energy. Purple, my favorite, a combination of blue and red, associated with royalty, power, luxury, ambition, wisdom, dignity, creativity, and magic. That is just so me. Orange, which is combination of yellow and red, which represents passion and energy, happiness, joy, adventure, creativity, excitement, desire, pleasure, wealth, and wisdom. Once you've listened to all these colors, you might even identify which colors speak to you and resonate with you the most. Pink, gratitude, appreciation, happiness, admiration, unconditional love, friendships, compassion, and harmony. Red, one of my favorite colors, which is love, passion, fire, because I'm a fire sign, being an Aries. It's blood and sensitivity, as well as romance and good luck. Green, growth, harmony, fertility, vitality, stability, endurance, healing, hope, balance. Black is also a beautiful color. It represents elegance, power, serenity, tranquility, formality, as well as sensuality. Brown, friendship, homeliness, concentration, courage, and energy. In my case, brown is definitely not my color. So when I do wear browns, it's more in my leopard prints, or it will be cheetah prints, leopard prints, and snakeskin, which will definitely have forms of brown in, and then I'll complement it with a brighter color. So these are words that you can have a look which actually represents you and you resonate with, which you can actually tap into wearing more of those colors, or wearing some of those colors in prints that complement the true colors that you absolutely love.